Hi, are you interested in learning the Udemy courses for free? Are you interested to get the Udemy paid courses for free? Then you are in the right place. In this video, I'll teach you how to get the Udemy paid courses for free. So let's begin without any delay. First, let's learn what is Udemy. Udemy is an online learning platform from which you can gain a lot of knowledge regarding different fields. You can gain knowledge and you can apply for job, as well as you can improve your skills from the tutorials that you found here. So this is a online college. Let's say this is an online school from which you can gain lots of knowledge regarding different fields like photography, Android app making, website making, programming, etc. So but this website is a paid website. That means most of the courses in this website are paid. In this video, I'll teach you how to gain those paid courses of Udemy for free. So without doing delay, let's open up a browser. You can use any browser. I am using Chrome. Now in the search bar, you have to type FTUforum.com, FORUM.com. I want to repeat it again. It's FTUforum.com, www.FTUforum.com, and hit enter on it. So it takes a time and it opens up the website called FTUforum.com. So you can gain a lot of Udemy courses for free. Like you can see Node.js complete edition, third edition, and a lot more. You can also visit the different category. So scroll down and below and you will see the category heading. So in the category heading, you will see lots of category lists like design, business, development, etc. So I'll not click on the category and search for this specific course. Rather, I'll show you to download the courses from here and you can explore the website on your own. So let's go to the top and download the first course. So the first course was Node.js 3rd edition. So let's click on that. After clicking on that, another page will open. Then you will get the download link there, download course, and you will get the course size, that is around 15 GB. This course is around 15 GB. So let's click on the download link and it will download a torrent file. So the download is started and the download is over. So before proceeding to the download method, you have to download any torrent client in your device, whether it is Android, iOS, or it is Windows. You need any torrent client to download the file, as we have downloaded the torrent file, and it will let you to download the whole courses for free. So let's go to the download section. I have already downloaded a torrent client called BitTorrent. You can try out that as well, or you can try other torrent client like FloodTorrent or uTorrent. So here you will get in the download section of Chrome, I have reached, and here is the file called free tutorial Node.js. So let's click on that. So after clicking on that, it opens up the torrent client that you have in your device. So I have BitTorrent, so it has opened the BitTorrent, and it will gather the information. The torrent client will gather the information from that torrent file and it will download after it gathers all of the information. And the download speed depends upon your internet connection. So if you have fast internet, then it will download quickly, but if you have the sluggish internet, then it will take a lot of time to download. So it also depends upon the course content or course size. So thank you for watching, and if you have any comments, share it below in the comment box, as well as you can like this video if it was helpful to you, as well as if you have any suggestion, then you can comment below. And before going, click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification and you can gain your knowledge. Thanks for watching.